Welcome guys, welcome to photobit.com. So in this photobit.com, this is what we're going to be doing. So I inserted my PSD file. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my layer. So this is my layer. Good, this one. So click on the layer. Good. So you see where they place where they write place your logo here. So you're going to double tap the this place. You're going to double tap it. So let's double tap it. Good. So they've double tap it. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to click on this eye. Yeah, good. So remove it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your file. You click on open and place. Then you click on your file. Then you click on the design you just finished right now. So you can now increase it a little bit, enlarge it. Then make sure you place it at the middle. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your file. Then you click on save smart object. Save smart object. Good. So you have to wait for it to save. So it has saved already. The next thing I'm going to do is to click this PSD file. Click the first one. So let's see how the mockup went. Good. Can you see it? So the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your file, then go to export as, then PNG. Then you click on save. Then you click on download. Good. So you are done. So let's check the work that we just did right now. So this is the work we just did right now. You can actually do your own there right now. So let's go back. Good. Um